In this video, we will learn how to create pivot table, how to summarize, sort and filtering data in pivot table. What is pivot table? Pivot table is a table of statistics that summarizes the data of a more extensive table. This summary might include some average or other statistics, which that pivot table groups together in a meaningful way. Pivot table are technique in data processing, okay? And so they condense whenever you have data. You can also present the data graphically using this pivot chart, okay? So I have a data of table. Here is the name of student, subject, marks and semester. This is a list of 45 students, okay? So I will be making pivot table. To make a pivot table, first step is select the entire data set. Okay, select this table. Okay, now including the column heading. So the header allow has to be selected along with the data point. After selecting this data, go to the insert tab. Okay, look at the first command, the pivot table command. I will click on this. This open the create table box. I'm already selected range. Secondly, where my table report will replace, whether a new worksheet or existing worksheet. I wanted it to be a new worksheet. So click on OK. Now sheet open, you can see over here there is a dummy to build the table report and the dummy build itself. When I said choosing field from here, this is the right of the Excel sheet and this shows the various fields in my table: name of student, subject, marks and semester being shown as a field which I can use in my table. Okay. Now I have to decide which field to choose for my pivot table. So what I do is I look at the bottom half of this pane. This pane says that you can drag the field between this four area to create the table. The field area is reporter, this filters label, column label, rows and values. Okay. These fields will be dropped any of this area for me to get the table. Let's see how I want to organize my data. I start with the semesters. Select this. See, now it builds itself. Now I want also name of student in rows. Select this. See, now it is showing name of student. Okay. So rows has been created by semester and name of students. So now I want to subject in column label. So drag this and drag this and drop here. So column has been created by subject. It is showing now subject English, France, history, maths, physics and grand total. Okay. Now and lastly I take this marks and put it in values. Like this, drop and drag here. Okay. Values. So now it is showing marks. Now I want maximum marks instead of total marks. So click on this. Okay. Go to value fields settings. Now it is showing sum, count, average, maximum, minimum. I want maximum means highest. Click on this. So it is showing first maximum 92, then 68, then 89. Here it also in semester 2 90, 60. Okay. So now what will I do? I will further show my table inserted. This is pivot table. Okay. So the other thing I do with the pivot table, I can further sort my data or filter my data. Okay. Now firstly I want to sort my data. Now go to home and go to this option, sort and filter. Okay. So I want largest to smallest. You can click any one of this. Okay. So click on this. See. Now it shows largest to smallest. First largest marks 92, then 83, then 59. Here is also 68, then 65. Now I want filter my data. So go to row labels. Okay. Click on this. See, it shows semester 1 and semester 2. I want only semester 1 marks. So click only semester 1. Click on OK. Now show it is showing only semester 1. So I hope that you makes understand that how the pivot table are created and why they are useful. Okay. So I have done here sorting, filtering data. Okay. And maximum marks. Last thing we talk about insert pivot chart. Okay. Now pivot chart represent the same data you saw in pivot represent the form of chart. Okay. So in this you have to go this design, this pivot table tools, and here click on this pivot chart and go to column, and you can click any one of this. I have click on this, click on OK. See, see now it shows only semester 1 marks because I have here filtered the data. Okay. If you want, if you will show both, then you click on this semester 2 also, then OK. So I hope you have understood it clear to how to create pivot chart and how to create pivot table. Thank you for watching.